एकठांय रावन एक डिमांड केला. अंडरलायनींग तुका हांव सांगता कितें आहा तें. तेणी इलिगली डंप केला आमचे रायट ऑफ वे. ही लेटर आमकां आरव्हीएनएल पंचायता बरोयली टू फॅसिलिटेट अ मिटींग विथ द विलेजीस. आनी आयज पंचायतान स्टँड घेतलो आनी सगळ्या लोकांक आपयले. आनी तोच डिमांड एक मेन आहा की तो यू स्टे ऑफ आवर रायट ऑफ वे. अंडरलायनींग तें सांगता की द रेल्वेज मस्ट स्टे ऑफ आवर रायट ऑफ वे. इलिगली डंप करून गोंयचे पुलिसांन आमचे ते आमकां सुरक्षा दिवपाक आहात त्या पुलिसांन तेणी प्रोटेक्शन घेवन ते इलिगली डंप केल्ले. मॅटर सबज्युडीस आहा. ISLR इज येट टू डिसायड आनी 28 तारखेर फेब्रुवारीचे तें 3:30 वरांचे मिटींग आहा. सो इतले आसतना तेणी जबरदस्ती करून ही माती ढांप केली आनी ढांपी केली म्हूण खंय लोकांचे घरां मुखार सारकी लोकांची मोटरां भितर भायर सरो येना. एक आमचे गांवची भयण सेंड्रा तेजो पांय दुयेंत आहलो. इतलो दुयेंत आहलो तांचो पिसो जातालो हाय ब्लड प्रेशर जावन. तेणी ते काडलो आनी ते घोडीन ती वयलो. 2 दिसान तो सोंपलो. तेका मॉर्निंग करपा देखून तेणी चान्स दिलो ना. तेजी त्या फाटी मरण आहा तेंच्या घरा आनी ह्या फाटीन तेजी माती घालता. म्हळ्यार एक कितें म्हळ्यार खाडीज आहा हो मनीस कोण इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता तो. हांव म्हणा आरव्हीएनएलाचे ब्लेम करना कित्याक ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आयज सारकें म्हळ्यार सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे आसपाक जातली हिंगा. नॉट द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हा येतलो काम करतलो वयतलो. सो कितें आहा सावथ वेस्टर्न जायते लोकांचे प्रश्न आहा. आमचे जायते लोक आनी तेंगे एडिशनल डिमांड आहा लोकांचे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम लीव ऑफ द रायट ऑफ वे लोकांक कितें आर पार वचपाक तांकां अंडरपास जाय आनी ते कायद्यान येवपाक जाय. इवन अंडर द सिंगल ट्रॅक लोकांक त्रास जाताय आतां. ते पावंडे आदले आमगे पास म्हणटाय पयलीं ते पास सगळे ते ठातून उडयले. आयज आमच्या लोकांक आर पार वचपाक हें मेळना मीन्स क्रॉस करपाक मेळना. सो हांव एकूच क्वेश्चन आमचो लोकांचो प्रश्न आहा तो तुमी ही माती घायला ती इतली काण उडोवपाची स्ट्रेट. आमकां नो फर्दर डिस्कशन. Villagers are in no mood to discuss anything other than what they have demanded. तुम्ही चोयल्या जातले. You are also present. Very, very strong message to South Western Railway. Get off our land of the villages. Let the ISLR decide who has this ownership right over this land. ही लँड आमची पुर्वजांक दवरली आनी मुखारय आसतली. आमी सगळे गांव भाव भयण्यो आमी एकठांय रावतले. कितें करपाक तें लिगली वयतले. वॉट एवर वी हॅव टू डू वी वील डू इट टू द लिगल मॅटर.
अरुण बाब जेन्ना मिटींग चल्लो वेदर दे हॅव शोन एनी डॉक्युमेंट्स ऑफ लँड जावं बाकीचे
कांयच ना. आमी जाणा तेको ना म्हूण बट स्टील आमी ते कडेन आमचो वडील आहा गांवचो मिस्टर मॅक्स डिसुजा आनी तेणें तांकां बरे भाशेन मांडलें क्वेश्चन. तुमकां कितें आहा जाल्यार तेणें म्हणलें ना इट इज ते कितें दाखयता सर्वे प्लॅन दाखयता 1971 वेर देर इज नो सर्वे रिकॉर्ड्स. फायन वी ऑल्सो अंडरस्टँड एंड वी ऑल्सो नो दॅट वेर देर इज नो सर्वे नंबर इट इज डीम्ड टू बी गव्हर्मेंट लँड. हावेवर देर इज अ रायडर टू इट. कित्याक दुसऱ्यांक रिकॉर्ड आसूंक जायना. आमगे सगळ्या कडेन लँड ओनरा कडेन रिकॉर्ड आहा दॅट दे ओन द लँड अप टू द रेल्वे लायन.
My name is Christina and I stay in Premier Vado over there, and my house is landlocked. The railways have done their nuisance by putting the land filling which is almost half the meter or even more than that. Our car is blocked inside the house. We are not able to come out of our houses. So it is like they are doing it illegally. It is not their right. It is not their land also. It is our land. It is our right of way which they are taking it. And it is like they are not supposed to be doing that.
My house, they have brought up the mud. That is all illegal land filling that they have done, and they have covered it. They have covered my gate, half the gate. So I am not able to enter my gate or exit my gate. My car is inside the property, and I am not able to. That is my right of way. I am asking them to give me my right of way. That's what, and I have told them to remove all the illegal mud that they have put to remove it from there, so that I can enter and exit my gate.
वाट जाय म्हणून कित्याक आमकां वाट तेमी आमची वाट ब्लॉक केल्या आनी ती हायट हाडल्या की लोकांनी भितर दिवंक वचोंक मेळना. लोकांक भितर वचोंक मेळना. तेजे घरान तेजी गाडी भितर आहाय इतली हायट सारकी दुर्गाची वयर चडले आनी आमकां वयर थिंगा चलूंक जायना आमी स्टेप थिंगा मारलो ते थिंग मून गायले सो आमकां रेल्वे ट्रॅक क्रॉसूच करूंक जायना आतां तेका लागून आमचे डिमांड आहाय आतां आनी पयलीं ती माती काडूंक जाय फर्स्ट डिमांड इज रिमूव द मात because of the height. See, there are so many senior citizens who cannot climb that height. We require some other person who will come at that moment to take us down the other side of the road. We have to go to the doctor, we have to go to church, we have to cross the road, we have to go to the market. The children are there crossing.
Today's meeting was convened because we received a letter from RVNL, from the General Manager of RVNL, to requesting the Panchayat to facilitate a meeting with the affected villagers on their landlocked property. So this meeting was convened for that. We convened the meeting in with three different groups because they represent three different types of issues. And the main point that they brought out was that they don't even know what is happening. This was in complete violation of the railway code, the railway engineering code, which requires the railways to discuss with the local administration as to what are their plans. They have not discussed it. So now we have told them to take off all the obstacles that are there, restricting people from entering the houses, clearing the waterways, clearing the waterways of mud that they have done, and also the twigs and the branches that they have put in the way, which is blocking drainage. And we requested them to do all this before the monsoon. That is something that we have requested RVNL to do on an urgent basis. The next step would be for RVNL to give us a plan of what they intend to do in that area. They have promised to do that within 15 days. And when we see those plans, we'll study those plans, and then we'll work with them for a equitable solution, a solution that is applicable to both of them. And we have been telling them, we have shown them letters that this is nothing new. We have been showing them this from 2020, but they have not been showing us. They've just been doing whatever they want.
The meeting was on having a discussion with our landlords for the right of way. Okay, so there were two groups. We called each group at a time and we discussed with them. And till today, RVNL has not handed over any plan to us so that we can discuss it with our people. So now RVNL people have promised us that they are going to give us a plan within 15 to 20 days, and we are hoping once the plan comes to us, whatever best way we can solve the problem. Whatever, if the people are ready, not ready, that is, I don't know. It is upon people whether they want something, they don't want. Once I have the plan, then I'll call a meeting again, I'll discuss it with the people.
लोकांची कितें मागण्यो अशें जेन्ना
Main thing is drainage they want, and right of way which was there, they want the right of way.
Till the time work will continue or no? Any assurance?
We have told RVNL to stop the work. And we have asked them whether they have any title documents with them also. And since it is in the court, I think they should stop for some time till the decision is taken by the court.
लोकांच्या घरांनी माती घातलेली आहा तिचे तुम्ही काडपाक बी लायला अशें कितें आहा?
आम सांगला तांकां काड म्हण सो ह्या काटाय कानाय we have told them because people are landlocked inside their houses, they cannot walk out. Something happens, house catches fire. What are people supposed to do? All this planning they should have done before putting the mud or even starting the project, which has not been done by RVNL or Southwestern Railway. They have just done the work. It is not the right way to work where the people are staying.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.